I am very excited to show you the Unify Nano HD. This thing is incredible. It will deploy Wi-Fi in very highly dense populated areas. It can connect up to 200, over 200 users. Look how tiny this thing is. This is such a small device, but oh so powerful. And the really cool thing too is that it comes with the PoE adapter as well. So you can power over Ethernet if you have security cameras and things like that. This is awesome. And the app that it comes with as well to control, to monitor, to manage your Wi-Fi is extremely easy to use, to manage, and to deploy. Oh, and it also comes with a mounting plate, which really attaches quickly behind this. Flush, because of course your cables are all flushed and released. So you're really just installing this on the wall. And let me show you what it looks like on the wall in an outside condition.